Welcome to Montessori Grab and Go session with Modern Montessori International. I am Vicky.
I am Kia.
Today the session is on Montessori Geography activity. And the grab material is the Jigsaw Map of the world. This activity teaches the child the names of the continents. Let's watch the Go presentation. This is Europe. Can you show me Europe? What is this continent?
Europe.
So today we have learned the names for 3 continents. They are Africa, Europe, and Asia. See you in our next Montessori Grab and Go session.
Goodbye.